Hello friends, welcome back in Study Point. According to some requests, today I am going to discuss about networking concepts. What about networking? A computer network is a set of computers connected together for the purpose of sharing resources. The most common resource shared today is connection to the internet. Other shared resources can include a printer or a file server. Wireless networking. Wireless computer networks that are not connected by cables are called wireless network. They generally use radio waves for communication between the network nodes. They allow devices to be connected to the network while roaming around within a network coverage. Advantages of network. File sharing. We can easily share file from one PC to another by email and other storage devices. Resource and hardware sharing. We can share hardware resources like printer or scanner. Application sharing. We can easily share any application in network just like Skype. User communication. All the user can easily communicate to each other by chat and conferencing. Network gaming. An online game is a video game played over some form of computer network. Connects you to the internet, keep you entertained. We can use different entertainment medias like movie, song, game, chat and surfing. Keeps you connected with social life. We can use different social media apps to connect with the world just like WhatsApp and Facebook. Help sort, organize and search through information. We can easily access, retrieve or arrange online information. Efficient use of storage media. We can use different storage medias like pen drive, memory card and cloud computing. Reduction of hardware cost. We can use a single network device like printer and scanner. Network card. A network interface card means NIC is a hardware component, typically a circuit board or chip, which is installed on a computer so that it can connect to the network. The NIC uses the OSI model to send signals at the physical layer, transmit data packets at the network layer and operate as an interface at the TCP/IP layer. Networking cable. Networking cable. Modern Ethernet networks use twisted pair cable containing 8 wires. These wires are arranged in spatial order and an RJ45 connector is crimped at both the ends of the cable. Hub. A hub works on a physical layer of OSI model. Hub just connect multiple computers within one LAN and also can connect multiple Ethernet devices together as a single segment. In short, hub work for broadcasting of the data in network. Switch work in data link layer. A switch can join multiple computers within Ethernet device together as a single segment. A switch is more intelligent than hub because it works for unicasting and multicasting. Router. Router, generally known as wireless access point WAP. These have a wireless antenna which increase or communication range of the radio signals. Access point can also be used to join a wired network, thus making the network a combination of wired as well as wireless network.